another video. Today in this video I will talk about another dynamic island, which is DynamicShot application available in Play Store. So open Play Store and search DynamicShot, and you guys will get that early access thing, which is dynamic island. Now install the application and I will show you the full step by step process, so watch till the end how you guys can enable that feature. And this is really interesting for individual application selection. You guys can select individual application, in which application you guys want that pop-up notification. You guys will be able to select that. So you guys can see application downloaded. Now get back and you guys will get the application here, DynamicShot. And now open the application and provide all the permission it asking. So select apps, that means individual application can be selected, and I'm selecting the music player here, and I'm selecting Play Store music player and Telegram, the notification application. Like you guys can select the Messenger, Facebook, whatever, where you want to get notification, and click DynamicShot and allow permission and draw on screen. Just turn that on and allow, and we are done. Now pop-up settings, you guys can change the dimension like this, and this is a important thing here. You guys can customize it according to your choice. If you have a cutout on the left top side and right top side, whatever, wherever, you guys can do that customization according to your choice by changing the offset position X, Y, and according to pixel, and allow two pop-ups point, so multiple notification can be showed in here at the top of your camera cutout. Now let me play music and show you guys does it really work or not. So I'm playing on music. Yeah, of course it's working fine, there is no issue. If you touch it and if you press and hold, it will come up like this. If you touch it, it will goes back. And like this, if you download anything from Google Play Store, you guys will also get the notification of downloading the application notifications. Which application actually you will select, you will get the notification. So no problem with that. Hope you guys understand the video. If you like my work, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching.